Hi guys, how are you? Musta naman ang buong maghapon? I hope okay lang kayong lahat. So, ayun na nga. Gusto ko lang mag-share sa inyo ng journey ko as an awesome parent. I know how challenging and overwhelming being an awesome parent. But I also know the joy, the victories, and the love comes with it. Pero syempre, not all days masaya. There were days when I feel guilty, anxious, and most of days exhausted. Sabi ko sa sarili ko noon, I wish I had something na, not just an advice, but a tool to help me cope, reflect, and focus on on the positives. Kasi madaming tanong, madaming whys, madaming but, madaming what if sa isip ko. Like, what it means to be awesome or to be different. Paano mo nga ba tatanggapin yung pagiging different ng ating awesome kid? Paano ba natin i-handle ang meltdown? Paano mo nga ba ipaparamdam sa ating awesome kid na hindi sila left out? That they are accepted? Saan nga ba dapat magsimula ang inclusivity? Sa school ba? Sa community ba? Sa family ba? Lahat ng yan, tanong ko sa isip ko noon. Then, I started to accept the fact that being different is never a problem. I learned to accept and embrace that different has become another word for beautiful. So, I started creating an ebook. It's Different is awesome. Love without limits. So, this ebook is more than just a guide. It's um, full of real stories, my stories, gentle reminder and encouragement for us awesome parents na hindi madali, hindi hindi madali ang tinatahak natin, pero never to naging burden. Hindi ito naging daan para dapat tayong panghinaan ng loob. So, ayun na nga. So, itong ebook na to, hindi ko to ginawa para turuan kayo. This is more on, ito kasi naging realization ko. Ito yung kung paano ko in-accept, paano ko in-embrace yung sitwasyon na meron kami ng awesome kid ko. And I just wanna share it with you guys. Gusto ko ito para maging companion nyo. Gusto ko parang maging guide nyo. Hindi naman kasi, di ba, may mga days na gusto mo lang na mag-isa ka. Yung parang meron ka lang silent friend na kasama. Ito yun. Ito siya. Ito yung silent friend nyo na more on conversational itong ebook na to. Para nakikipag-usap lang siya sa'yo. Hindi siya para turuan ka or para sabihin kung ano ang dapat at kung ano ang tama. Kasi wala nun. Hindi, iba't iba tayo ng pinagdadaanan. This is my experience. This is my story. This is how I share with you guys what me and Sixto experience. So, with this journey. So, yun lang. Yun lang gusto kong, ito yung main goal ng book na to. And, alongside with my new ebook, I also created a journal, free journal, na kung saan dito pwede nyo ilagay lahat ng answer din sa mga exercises na nasa ebook, mga reflection, undated this journal is undated, so you can reuse it anytime, anytime. Pwede nyo i-reuse yan. So, it can be a weekly planner, monthly planner. Ayan. So, parang ito naman yung magiging diary mo ng inyong awesome kid. So, ito yung parang magiging sabihan mo ng problema mo, ng progress nyo, not just problem, small wins, progress, yan, dito, lahat ng gusto mong i-celebrate, yan, pwede mo ditong ilagay. Ito, feel free to write anything na makakapagpasaya sa'yo, makakapagpagaan ng loob mo, without judgment. Ayan. Ayan yan. Yun yun parang pinaka-main goal ko. May makikinig sa'yo without judgment. May malalapitan ka ng walang, alam mo yun, na hindi ka nag-iisip na what if may sinasabi pala siyang ganito, ganyan. Ayan. Ito yun. Gusto ko siyang maging silent friend nyo. And most of all, I just want to share again my experience, my journey with my awesome kids. So if you like to grab a copy, your own copy, you can just visit my page, 6 and 7 Digitals. Yan, scroll lang kayo, makikita niyo yung post ko dyan. Ayan. So, it comes with chapter 1, the whole chapter 1 for free. Just click the link. And to unlock your copy, it's only $145. It comes with the journal for free. This $145 is special price until September 30th. So you can grab a copy here at my shop in Gumroad and on PayHip. I do have Rocket PH, but hindi ko nilagay dito yung link kasi may problema. Parang may problema yung nagkaka-publish ko dito kay Different is Awesome kasi isinama ko si Journal. So, under review pa siya. So, ayun. You can also DM me. Usap tayo. Yan. So, again, hindi lang ako basta gumawa nito para magturo kasi hindi din naman ako medically trained. Again, this is my own experience ko, namin, ng family ko. Yan. Lahat ng about sa meltdown, kung paano namin hinandle, yan, andyan yan, yan. Sana makatulong sa inyo din, kasi alam ko na mahirap talaga, and hindi kayo nag-iisa, marami na actually community, mga awesome community, ayun, pero syempre, diba, sabi ko nga, kung gusto mo yung may makinig sa'yo without judgment, yan, ito si Different is Awesome, Love Without Limits na book, available siya for you, andyan siya, para ka nakikipag-usap. I hope makatulong to sa inyo. That's it. Yun lang. Thank you so much and have a good night.